somebody's busy doing something with GME, but there's a lot of companies doing the same. That's why I highlighted the likes of Twitter. Twitter also had a big increase in stock volumes. So Twitter's getting a big increase in option volumes and stock volumes, but so is GME at the same time, getting a big increase in stock and option volumes. Something's happening on GME. We then started to see increasing unusual option activity on GME. We started to see active options on GME. We started to see active options on GME. We started to see active options on GME. We started to see popular stocks with increasing volumes on GME. We then started to see 30-day volatilities on GME increasing to 182. And then on the 15th of January, the implied volatilities rose to 360. 360, guys. Implied volatilities to 360. And you can start to recognize some of these things. And then when we looked at some of these other conversations that were happening about GME, we obviously this guy Citron. This is where the whole issue came about. Was this short selling newsletter or short selling facility researcher at Citron saying about short selling reports that they've stopped publishing those short reports now, and they're now going to be focusing on long-sided reports. And it's just about the idea that they used to be using this to position for short positions, and now they have the guy had to cover their position for 100% loss. 100% loss. And this is obviously when it gets a little bit grubby here, and he and his family were threatened by an angry mob of subscribers from his research group after he had told them to sell GME at that stage. You know, so you can see that, you know, it's an angry world, guys. It's an angry place to be involved in the marketplace. You've got to just realize those things. You know, you've got to realize that things don't just come out of nowhere. They creep along and they suddenly start showing up on a few different ideas. You start to see massive spikes in volatilities. And that doesn't happen unless you're starting to think about the idea, certainly on short squeezes. If you see a big increase in intraday volatilities and you see a very heavy short interest position, look out, because there's danger coming, guys. There's danger coming.